again, my name is Daniel from D IT Services. In today's IT tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can prepare a bootable flash. Okay, over the years of IT now, I discovered that most time we get to misplace our CD-ROMs. Sometimes we even get to misplace our CD plates. Sometimes it gets cracked, and at the end of the day, you might need it in a very urgent situation, and the CD-ROM just fucks up. So what do? You start going around to get another CD plate. Okay, so I'll be showing you a simple way in which you can have all your operating system at hand at any time. Okay, one very good OS we're using today is a Server 2019, and the requirement for this is at least an 8 gig flash, yes, or 16 gig size flash. This will give you room to have all your softwares inside and much more secure. Okay, all right, so first and foremost, we have to connect to the internet, and you go to Microsoft. Let's just go through google.com, then you search Microsoft Server 2019 download. Okay, this website is actually free from Microsoft. What it does is that Microsoft gives us the room to download evaluation package. That is a trial version. I think the trial version is about the evaluation package is 180 days. 180 days. However, if you need the license, I can always get you the license. Just WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, and or you can give me a call. Yes, I will get you a license, unlimited license at free of charge, unlimited license. Okay, all right. So we have 180 days from Microsoft, and we have Azure software here. We have ISO, then we have the virtual hard disk. But what we need actually for this our practical lab is the ISO. Okay, so you select the ISO and you continue. Okay, the next window shows us a simple data page where you just put in your information. I have just put anything, Daniel, and put this at the okay. Then the company, you can just formalize something. DIT services. IT services. Okay, the company size, job title, email, then your phone number, okay, then you select your country. Okay, so we have let me use, I'm actually Nigerian, so all right, so then you click on continue. Okay, then you have this part of it that says please select your language. Select your language. I would like to select English, so say download. Okay, so as you can see, the iOS image for Windows Server 2019 evaluation package is being downloaded, and we have to wait for about 13 minutes before this download completes. Okay, I think I have to pause the video for now while we wait for the download to finish up. Okay, so back again, our download is completed, and I have it in my external hard disk backup here. I have my files in C. I have my iOS images here. So we'll be picking this Server 2019. Okay, Server 2019. All right, so this is our iOS, our image file for the server. So we'll simply launch the Rufus. The Rufus software, you can get the Rufus software online. It's also very easy. You just come in here, just type Rufus, download. Okay, download Rufus 3.10 or 3.29. Actually, I'll be using 3.9 for this practical lab, and you can as well download 3.10. Okay, so just hit on the download button and download. Automatically you have your Rufus at hand. Okay, here I have Rufus 3.9 and Rufus 3.10, but I'll just stay put with 3.9 because it's very good. I've been using it. Okay, so you launch your Rufus, and this is the interface for Rufus. This is your interface for Rufus. On this platform, you have the device Windows 2019 bootable. Actually, what you are seeing here is my flash. It's a 16 gig flash, and I already have the Windows bootable on it, but we are preparing it afresh now. So automatically the Rufus software will delete it. Then after the process completes, we are good to go. Okay, the boot selection, just leave this place as default, Dix or iOS image. We are using iOS image. Then you come here, you select which of the iOS image are we looking for. Windows Server 2019. So we said it's inside my external hard disk, just D, inside backup, inside file in C drive, iOS image, and I have it here, right here. Okay, so this is the iOS image file for the server 2019. Okay, image option, we have standard Windows installation, then we have Windows to go. Our advice to use standard Windows installation, just leave that to default. Then partition scheme, please take note, make sure you select MBR, so the target system automatically change to BIOS or UEFICSN. So you leave that, then you leave this as default. Use Rufus MBR with BIOS ID. Okay, then you come in here, this is the volume label where you can change, you can rename it. Let's rename it now to Windows Server 2019 bootable. Then your file system, you leave it as NTFX. Then the cluster size is 4096 bytes. Leave it as a default value. Simply leave this quick format, create extended labels icon, leave it as default. Then all you need to do is to hit the start button. And before we proceed, in case you are new to this channel and maybe peradventure you have not subscribed, please, I will encourage us, please try to subscribe, like and share. By this you will help us to do more videos. Alright, so at the same time, remember to hit the notification icon by the side, so anytime I upload new videos you'll get to see it. Okay, alright, so all we need to do now is to click start button. Okay, we'll click this. A message pops up from Rufus saying, warning, all data on device Windows 2019 bootable D16 gig will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. To quit, cancel. Obviously we are supposed to click OK, so let's just click OK. But what we are doing is that we want to prepare our flash with what? Windows 2019 bootable. So we have to, by this, it automatically means that we are eradicating the use of CD plates, which is not economical, because you need to be buying CDs, and like I said, the evaluation copy is what we have from Microsoft. If you need the license, just a token, which I know you can afford, just DM me. You can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. WhatsApp me, then I'll get the license across to you. Okay, Alright, I would like us to pause the video here because it takes more like about 10 to 15 minutes before it copies all the iOS file into the flash drive. Okay, so let's pause the video for now. Yes, we are back again. After a few minutes, we have completed the installation of the preparation of the bootable into the flash. Okay, so we've now made the flash bootable. Our flash is now bootable. Okay, now I'm checking the property of my PC and I can see D here, which is this Windows Server 2019 bootable. I want us to check the property of the Windows to see if actually the size is complete. This is 6.48. okay, this is the actual size of the Windows Server 2019, 6.48. so with this now I have my bootable safe and secure in my flash, and it can be used on on any system. In case you're new to this channel, please subscribe so when next we have new videos you can also see update about it, and don't forget to click the notification button beside it. Okay, our next tutorial will be on virtual machines, Hyper-V, and most especially courses in NCSA. Okay, alright, I would like to end it for now. See you next class. Thank you. Bye.